As recently as the 1950s, the Tysons Corner we know today was a farming community centered around a general store at the intersection of Routes 7 and 123. In the 1960s, the area shed its rural identity forever with the construction of the Capitol Beltway, Dulles Airport, and a major shopping mall. By the 70s and 80s, a shift in traditional business functions from downtown to the suburbs transformed Tysons into a major employment and retail center, offering the public over 100,000 jobs. Today, Tysons Corner is a thriving commercial and corporate center encompassing approximately 2,100 acres where the Capitol Beltway, the Dulles Toll Road, and Routes 7 and 123 come together. Bordering on the bustling communities of McLean, Vienna, and Falls Church, Tysons is an ideal place for businesses and residents to put down roots. The construction of the Metro Silver Line and 4 Tysons stations will increase area accessibility while presenting a unique opportunity for transit-oriented business and residential development. Concentrating commerce and convenience will allow for a less car-dependent community and transform the once rural Tysons into a truly urban setting. In June 2010, after years of review and intensive public input, the Board of Supervisors adopted the plan for the Tysons Corner Urban Center. The plan is a major step in the ongoing evolution of Tysons, creating a place where people want to be, a place where they can work, shop, and live while leaving the car at home. By 2050, the comprehensive vision calls for an urban center with 200,000 jobs and 100,000 residents, 75% of all development to be within an easy half-mile walk from Metro, environmental sustainability with restored streams, a network of green spaces and facilities, a transportation system with circulator routes, and vastly improved pedestrian and bike routes. In order to take advantage of this historic opportunity to transform the area into an urban downtown, the county and developers must carefully consider 6 elements essential to Tysons' future development. Create an urban setting with mixed-use, transportation-oriented neighborhoods. Refocus the transportation network, establishing a multimodal system with diverse and accessible transportation options. This will encourage people living and working in the area to walk, bike, or take transit to destinations within Tysons. Create a culture of environmental stewardship with environmentally sustainable buildings and a network of parks, open spaces, and trails. Develop a vibrant civic infrastructure with urban recreation facilities, cultural and arts facilities, and public art for public places. Promote Tysons as the county's premier employment center and regional economic engine, and allow economic activity in Tysons to grow. Transform the vision of Tysons into a reality that balances opportunities for development with a need for infrastructure. Today, Tysons boasts 105,000 jobs, but only 17,000 residents. Consequently, most area employees must drive to and from Tysons daily. Add the several thousand shoppers that drive to the large retail district every day, and the result is consistent roadway congestion. The plan calls for 200,000 jobs and 100,000 residents by 2050. A crucial aspect of this growth is the creation of local workforce housing. From waiters to corporate CEOs, teachers to firefighters, it will be essential for area workers to be able to live within walking distance of their jobs or one of the transportation options available to keep cars off the streets for a greener Tysons Corner. To accomplish this, the plan calls for high-density, mixed-use development centered around the 4 new metro stations in the area. Mixed-use development will allow builders to create more space vertically, with offices and retail spaces on lower levels and housing on higher levels. In order to foster a diverse population of residents, housing options must range from the economical studio apartment to the high-end condominium and everything in between, allowing a full cross-section of Tysons workers to live close to their jobs. This will also give residents a chance to shop, play, and socialize in an urban 24/7 setting with a view to a future Tysons free from car dependence. There is still much work to be done, but the plan to urbanize and elevate Tysons Corner is well underway, and will evolve over the coming 40 years. The current phase is a unique opportunity for Fairfax County to work with their partners to transform Tysons into an urban downtown community where people will live, work, and play for many years to come.